Got stopped out of my AMD.
Did you make good money?
Yep, 17% total account balance,
Oh, wow.
47% AMD.
Welcome to just beating the S&P 500 for the last 3 years combined. Just beat. If you left your money for 3 years, you just made more than that. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, Coach.
The reason I say it like that is because a lot of times we're all kind of getting lost in the mix because we have millionaires and doing ridiculous, like I've made 50 grand this week. What I need you to be concerned more about is being green and think about that percentage, right? The S&P last year, by the way, lost what, 18%? So you just beat the entire market for the last 3 years combined today. If you would have left your money for 3 years, you just beat it today. So don't ever be like, oh, I only made 17% of my total account.
When you was on vacation in New York, I did another three and a something on my 401k. So that's 17 grand now in 2 months.
Crazy.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Wanted to mention something real quick. Wanted to thank you very much for all that you do every day for us. I've been here for like about almost 10 months. And next week we start a company to diversify the funds I've made already through this. And just wanted to thank you very much, man. You've allowed me to do something that I've wanted to do. It's a dream of mine. So thank you very much.
You're very welcome, man. I'm proud of you. Good job.